I will never let you see the way my broken heart is hurting me. I have got my pride and I know how to hide all the sorrow and pain. I will do my crying in the rain. If I wait for cloudy sky, you will not know the rain from the tears in my eyes. You will never know that I still love you. So though the heartache remains, I will do my crying in the rain. Raindrops falling from heaven will never wash away my misery. But since we are not together, I will wait for a stormy weather to hide this tear. I hope you will never see. Someday when my crying done, I am gonna wear a smile and walk in the sun. I may be a fool, but till then, darling, you will never see me complain. I will do my crying in the rain.